Well, I don't know if you can see her over there. You can see these two. But what about that unit over there? No, not that unit. That unit. That unit right over yonder. The update is, I think Sean didn't send it enough. But it did spin the whole time. It just spun out and got stuck. But we're gonna get pulled out with the backhoe either tomorrow when the ground is frozen, or today when I get somebody to come over with a four-wheeler or something. If we can get it pulled out today, we'll get nasty some more. Sean's all butt hurt and all because Mustang's over there. There's nothing else to do today. 2 yards full of project, nothing else to do. So we're gonna figure out what we can do, and we're either gonna get nasty in it some more, or we're just gonna start taking it apart. Bye-bye mullet. You put a zip tie in that little groove there on the tank, and then put a strap there to hold it so that we can do shenanigans.
And we're not gonna rip the tank out of it.
Yeah.
Hopefully not.
Oh shit, here we go again.
He's trying to brake right now. I didn't make it far. Back it up, go back. You're stuck like Chuck, buddy. You're digging yourself in down here.
Yeah, I'm caught it.
You should have swung it a lot harder.
I fucking started spinning instantly. It was just like it wouldn't spin at all. It was just spinning and making rivets right away.
Holy shit, she's fucking...
It don't smell good.
I'm sure it don't. Well, I brought my good Z battery out here. A couple pieces of wood. We're gonna see if we can get it out of here. Chances are, no. But
sometime. You ready? So, of course, before anything, make sure it's in neutral, yeah? And you get your key, put her in here, and you need this thingy to go forward like that. Put your key back. Make sure it's in neutral. Take these 2 wires. It's dead. Or that switch back there clicked, it sounded like. Go fuck with that red button back there.
your inertia switch is down.
Like wiggle it. I have no power. Did we start with heat?
No.
Yeah, I think this battery's dead. We should have started it.
You got dingage. Leave it. Leave it.
It's definitely not dead, huh?
You no more dingage? Fans are on. Try it. Now it's dead.
It's dead.
It don't got the power to jump this unit. That battery's too small, I'm willing to bet that. We went and got his Mustang battery, because we're not risking my Charger battery. So,
Fits perfect.
oh shit. Well, trying his battery. Bird, your job is gonna be to push.
Oh shit. If you messed up the first part.
Ignition is on again. Putting the screwdriver back in neutral.
What if the problem's the wires? Yeah, they're just crackling and popping. I think we need to...
You're about to start welding.
Yeah.
Well, it worked once.
It did work. No, it worked a couple of times. Josh, your job's gonna be to touch these wires.
And then take the yellow off.
Yes, sir.
Can you hold this real quick?
I hear the switch clicking. Hold on. Hit it.
He said shit, we're not fucking. Hold on. You're gonna wanna like wop, 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 wop slowly. Stop spinning. Wood back. Yep. Shoot.
A few minutes later.
Y'all need a big truck and a trailer.
I can't believe it. We were going. We almost completed half a donut. Look at this. Don't show that.
Like I said, you're on the wood. It's just you literally have no grip at all. It ain't going nowhere. Unfortunately, I did not get it on camera, but we got the old fucking shit stanks unstuck from in the field. Pushing it with wood underneath the tire. It just happened to be our lucky day. We gave it a 5% chance, and it worked. It was going to come down to pulling it out with the backhoe tomorrow with multiple chains, but we got it. Probably surprised my grandfather. Now the old boy wants to do celebratory burnouts in the bitch that's probably already overheating.
Yeah, he said it was already fucking hot.
Oh yeah, no doubt. You better be ready to push it again. What the fuck? She sounds insane. definitely cannot handle the old girl. That was no tire smoke. Fucking coolant overflow's getting ready to pop if it had a lid.
It needs pulling apart.
They just get a new water pump or a
Your
junkyard water pump.
brakes couldn't handle it.
Yeah, the brakes are non-existent.
It kind of got it at the last one.
I thought you were going in the ditch pulling out of the driveway after I thought you were going to lose the fuel tank.
Like